Okay, this is what you're gonna need. Some old cables. Old. I got these from the dollar store. Some crimpers. Some pliers. Something so you can clean the wires with. And well, that's from the end of the other side of the cables, the jumping cables. So just take this off. See, they used to be right here on this side. Take them off, clean them up, open them up, clean them up with this wire brush. Real good. Then after that, you open these, the old, because you're gonna need one of these too. A couple of them, old um, power cable, and then just cut them up, cut the ends of them. Has like a 3-prong. Then just open them up and stuff, and after you're done, you put them back in to this right here. Put these 3 in here, and then that's how it looks after you're done. See, not bad. Just make some jumping cables out of cheap stuff.